Well, I'm happy it didn't hit the camera. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another pottery video. So good to have you in the studio today. We're throwing 25 pounds of clay for one piece. We got a commission today to do a giant twisted pot. So that's what we're doing. Let's do it. Man, I gotta think it's gonna be bigger than this, right? Is that gonna work? It's not gonna be bigger than, it might be bigger than that. I don't know, let's see. Oh, so it has been a hot second before I have thrown 25 pounds of clay as one piece. So this is gonna be less of a how-to video and more of a, let's see if John can throw 25 pounds of clay. Get that wheel wet a little bit. Boom. $25 pounds. This is gonna be super interesting. If you hear that water in the background, that's this basement leaking like so bad. All the snow is finally starting to melt and it's all melting into this basement. All right, we got some water. Well, I'm happy it didn't hit the camera. That's what happens when you have 25 pounds of clay. Oh my gosh. So that's what happens when you have 25 pounds of clay and then you accidentally launch it. Oh gosh. Well, I guess I'm happy that I was filming that. Oh God. I guess I gotta start over. Oh man. All right, well, what happens when you have 25 pounds of clay on the wheel and you jam it as fast as it'll go? Oh my gosh, that's such a joke. What a joke. Oh my gosh. Oh, maybe I should throw it in pieces. That was a lot. All right, I'll give it one more shot. That's actually probably a good thing that happened. There were kind of a lot of air bubbles in that clay, so I'm gonna wedge it this time. Boom, all clean. Take two. you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, comment, like, share, all the things. See you in the next video.